Today we will show you how to use auto-linking. Auto-linking allows you to dynamically link many charts and other content to a single chart, based on their common sort or by fields and parameters referenced in any filters. This saves you a lot of time and effort creating and maintaining drill downs in your charts. Auto-linking enables you to dynamically access a vast amount of information from a single chart, resulting in a library of interconnected, referable content. When you run an auto-link-enabled chart, the links on the sort field values indicate that there is other content available. When you select one, it will open and show information pertaining to the linked value you clicked. Start creating linked charts by clicking Auto-link in the More menu. Your auto-link-enabled chart sort fields or by fields that are not a measure or sum field with a sort, ranking, or other limit become the required parameter for identifying auto-link target charts. In this chart, the gross profit field is a measure field that is being sorted by the highest value. It is not evaluated by auto-link processing. Store name field is the sort field for this chart. Save the chart and then open an existing chart, or create a new chart using parameters on the field used as the primary sort field in the auto-link enabled chart to create its target content. In your target content, select Auto-link Target. Note that you can enable auto-linking in a chart, and then create the target charts for it to connect to with the buttons in the More menu. This content is linked by having common parameters for the sort field selected, and those to its left in the auto-link enabled chart. Once you have added the desired fields to the chart, create a filter for each of the sort fields as in your auto-link enabled chart. You can do this by dragging the enabled chart sort field into the filter toolbar. Do this for each sort field for which you want to be able to obtain auto-link charts. You do not need to modify the filter in any way. The auto-link target chart will also be included in the 8203 and higher evaluation of auto-link targets with filters that contain optional parameters. When an auto-link enabled chart is run, WebFocus Processing obtains the qualified auto-link target charts from the repository table. Click OK and save the chart. The auto-link enabled chart can link to any target content that you are authorized to access that satisfies the by field to the auto-link target chart filter parameter requirement. In Release 8.2 version 03 and higher, auto-link target charts that satisfy this requirement and also have optional filter parameters are now included in the auto-link target chart evaluation, so that all possible combinations of runtime parameters are evaluated and available as links to you as you run the request. This may produce additional charts in your list of available auto-link targets, offering you access to an expanded network of related content. You can auto-link as many charts as you want, and auto-link targets can be enabled to have their own targets. These charts must have filters with parameters to match the selected sort field and sort fields preceding it in the auto-link enabled chart. They can also have optional filter parameters, which contribute to the development of a cascading list of charts and subcharts, all of which can be accessed from one auto-link enabled chart. Once you are done enabling auto-linking for your charts, return to the home page and run the auto-link enabled chart. The tooltip that appears when you rest your mouse on a segment of the chart will include a list of auto-link targets. When you click the name of an auto-linked target chart, it will open in a new tab or window, depending on your browser configuration. The target will show information based on the value that you clicked and the sort field values preceding it. This is how values for multiple sort fields are passed and utilized. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.